Rear-ended somebody, backed into him or something.
Yeah.
The way he parked on the street, getting out and walking over 2 inches and taking care of the tree line, he just drove over it. Oh, and look at that tire right there.
Yeah, I was noticing the front ones are pretty bad too.
Are they?
Yeah, not as bad as that though.
Wow. You know, that's a safety hazard right there. Yeah, there is, isn't it? That's a safety hazard.
Yeah.
Driving these things around at high speeds. No seatbelts on. Running into the cars already with it. Jeez. You think this thing came out of Busch Gardens and it was a bumper car. Stars on the phone.
Oh, you're good. We didn't have any questions or anything.
The juvenile got found.
Oh, that's awesome. I'm glad you found him.
Well, yeah, I'm getting him out of the system. That's what I'm doing.
Awesome, awesome. Hey, your back right tire's a little worn out back there.
Okay.
Just
a slick.
Yeah.
All right, thanks.
Hey, I hate to see you hit the gas and spin out of control or anything.
I know you're a nice guy. I've seen you on YouTube.
Man, I'm infamous or something.
Not the arm thing.
You guys, yeah.
Yeah, you're a nice guy.
90% of the time.
I'm Zach Mills, by the way.
Oh, nice to meet you.
I know you guys would ask.
Oh, no. I very rarely ask.
But I'll be just typing this juvenile guy.
Yeah, no worries, man. We were just.
If you have a question, I'll talk to you. If I can't answer, I can't answer. So.
No, you're good, bro. We just wanted to let you know about your back tire.
And I was not completely familiar with that law until I watched your video.
Awesome. That's
so
half of it.
Me.
See? That's half of it. No, I think and it goes a long way because next time you're gonna pass that on to somebody else, like, hey, you may run across this one day, you know what I mean?
No, it was good. You educate,
so hey, that's huge, man. That's all I try to do is education, man. Thanks a lot, though. Thanks, Mr. Mills, right?
So, but I'm gonna work on
Yep, you're good, bro. Thanks, bro.
All right, take care.
You too.
Take care, man.